Well, the reason why we're here is to identify new startups, to find probably also corporations with other investors. I just had a fantastic discussion with another investment company and we exchange on the ideas and inspirations we get here. It's extremely helpful.
I think there are all different industries here and different players, and we are all running in our tunnels. But we have to drill holes in these tunnels and connect each other and share ideas, and then new things come to life.
This was a step-by-step evolution, and really, especially for the industrial market, additive manufacturing could change the way we produce parts in our industrial environment very radical. So I really see additive as the future way to produce things.
3D printing is changing many things in our daily life. It makes airplanes much more efficient. It makes cars much lighter. It makes products more customizable. So we can create our own individual products and express ourselves as individuals. What we are doing today is what people in the internet did 20 years ago. We are preparing a revolution and it's happening right now.